So I just got done eating breakfast that my husband made, and there's a little duck outside.
Oh, it's gonna have to wait for it to come back. She'll fly back in a little bit.
Look at the eggs. Oh my gosh. You guys see the eggs? Dean, get that food out of here. I'll take that food out right now, guys. Don't trip. Oh my gosh, little eggs. It's raining. Get inside. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in it. I'm gonna be doing just a day in the life. It is Friday and I do have a really busy day today. Just figured I would start vlogging, do a small little chit chat with you guys this morning as I'm getting ready. My younger cousin, she's a junior in high school, and she asked me to do her makeup for, I think it's Sadie's. I think I need to just kind of get on a schedule. I'm not gonna commit to like certain days out of the week for my channel, because honestly, just like being a mom of four is just kind of keeping me super busy right now. I feel like vlogging will just be really easy. I know those videos don't get like a ton of views for my channel. It's really hard to make like a cleaning video because throughout the day I just have to clean. If you guys haven't watched my my previous cleaning video, it was cleaning motivation from a not so motivated mom. You guys have to watch that video. It's been like one of my favorite like cleaning videos and slash vlog, so you guys have to watch it. If you guys are moms, then you guys will totally understand how my day was going, and if you guys are not moms, then you guys will get an insight on what it's like having multiple kids. So make sure you guys check out that video. I'll leave the link, should pop up right now. But cleaning videos are my favorite to do. They're my favorite to like edit, film. But my vlogs, I do enjoy watching my vlogs back. And everyone that does watch my vlogs, I appreciate you guys. I feel like people that watch your vlogs are like your true followers. Okay. Okay, all straightened.
On some people at the end of this video, so be sure you stay tuned for that.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. It's a remedy, 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 and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 Drugs and cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say it bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah.
Okay, so I finished with my makeup for today, and this is pretty much my go-to makeup that I always do. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see what my husband and the kids are doing in the next room.
You don't recognize mom with my makeup? Huh? You don't recognize me. I think you like me without my makeup, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I love you.
So this is my little pumping station. Literally it stays right there. For those of you guys that don't know, I have an 8-week-old. So yeah, I need to pump. I'm probably gonna try to do 25 minutes. Because I'm like really engorged right now. And I literally just had, hold on baby. I know. Literally just had mastitis. And that was awful. I still have to take the antibiotics right now. Hopefully I don't get it again, so I don't want to go too long without pumping or anything like that. Okay, so I just finished pumping and I got 2.5 ounces, 5 ounces. So my husband just got home from picking up my son. It's almost noon right now and he has to leave. He'll probably have to leave in about 40 minutes or so for work. So I think they're downstairs maybe eating lunch. I'm gonna go downstairs and see what they're doing because I'm starting to get hungry too. Don't cry, baby. How's school?
Good.
Good? What are you eating?
Pizza.
So the baby was screaming, wasn't able to make anything to eat downstairs, so I just have a string cheese and I'm making the baby's bottle right now. I don't want to go in the room because they're still watching Despicable Me and with the copyright and stuff, so. But I still need to get dressed and just try to pick up a little bit, I guess. Okay, so my husband left for work and the kids are watching TV right now. Yeah, babe? What? No, no tablet. Daddy went to work. Daddy went to work. I did need to clean, but I decided to hold off on it because I want to make sure I get this video up. It'll probably be up Sunday because I'm gonna vlog today and tomorrow. I do want to go over to maybe my in-laws. I uploaded the footage that I had from this morning and I'm just gonna be editing that. So I'm just gonna be working on this for a little while. I've been doing it for a while already, maybe like 20 minutes.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love.
So it's almost 1:30 and I've been editing for what, almost 50 minutes and the baby's starting to fuss a little bit. Go ahead and upload this clip and my battery's about to die, so that's why I do need to stop filming right now. So I'm gonna put my battery on the charger. I'm gonna upload this long clip that I just wasted from memory and then yeah. Okay, I'm trying to get out the door. I gotta get my daughter from school. I got the baby. It's raining outside. Okay, the keys are downstairs. Got my wallet. Okay, get out. Josh, sit down. Let me get some shoes on. Where's the car seat at? Do you know where the car seat's at? Dean? Oh, here it is. Okay, how about that? Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, baby. Okay. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. What?
I didn't want to camera.
Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, I need my phone. No, sorry. Okay. I don't know what time it is. Oh, I'm done. I need a vlogging camera. I'm gonna pick up Victoria. I don't have like a mount thingy for my camera and it always drops, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Oh my god. Get you guys something to eat. Strawberries. It's mad. Hey there. Look. Oh, how many you got. Okay, here, I'll get you more. I'll get you more. Okay, you want more? More? I got more. Okay? Go. Oh my god. Okay, so I literally have to walk out the door in like 10 minutes and he wants to cry. The mac and cheese was done. No. Shoot, you guys, I gotta pump. I don't have time. I have no time. Okay, these next few clips I imagine being very all over the place. Okay. I got it. Okay. I gotta go.
Mom, did you pump? Are we late?
Okay.
Oh, he is so cute. Like I told him.
Shy. I'm being shy. So my grandma is here at my aunt's house. She's gonna watch.
Hi.
And my Nana.
I'm Grandma, and this is Great Grandma.
Great Grandma.
Hello.
So they're gonna watch the baby.
Look at that baby. He is so beautiful.
Can you tell we look alike?
Come on, Gigi.
It's ready to be on YouTube. Yeah. I need parental notices first. I don't know, a bunch of you guys are in here. It's so hot in here. Yeah, they're hot. They just don't want to tell you they're hot. Yeah.
I'm okay.
There's my cousin Monet.
Oh, don't put this on. It looks better.
Alright, Monet, what am I doing your hair?
Oh, well, actually, if we can do it in the other my shoes.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting.
Oh my god, is your vlog going on? Hi, vlog!
You guys. Alright, you guys, it is the next day because I left my camera at my cousin's house. So I went to go vlog like for dinner and stuff, and I realized I didn't have my camera. So it is the next day. I got the kids in here and we're going to my mother-in-law's to go to
your husband's house.
My husband's house. My husband's mom's house. Yeah, we're going to went to my husband's mom's house so I can do my sister-in-law's makeup. Or makeup and hair, I'm not sure. We're just gonna kind of play around. Well, yeah, I'm on my way there. I'll probably be there in like 45 minutes or so.
Tell me the wrong one.
Okay, so we're at my mother-in-law's now.
You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. To say it's always a step too far.
Bye, Danielle. Have fun.
And Caroline, this.
Bye, where are you? Where are you?
Alright you guys, so it is 9:30 and I'm going home right now. I had a really nice time doing my sister-in-law's hair and makeup. I always have a good time kind of hanging out with them and stuff because I'm an only child, so I really enjoy being around everybody, like my cousin and my sister-in-law, stuff like that, being part of these kind of things. It's always fun to be a part of it. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.